How to make two data frames, one with values and another with boolean, into one data frame in Python. For example, I have two data frames like data frame 1 would be, and data frame 2 would be, and want a result with one data frame. So if it is true in data frame 2, just bring the value from the data frame 1, and if it is false, then replace with 0. How can I do this?
You can use
One way is to just multiply the values in the data frame, then create the data frame out of it. Output. Or you can just multiply the data frames, dropping the indices.
You can use pandas.dataframe.mask if it's guaranteed that both data frame will always be of same shape. Creating the data. Mask. Output. This gives us
This